Now I'm going to show you how to take a stubborn glue spot out of a counter. If you have it on the floor, on other things, it works too. What we'll need to use is acetone or nail polish remover. It worked for me for most of the glues. I haven't been trying all kind of glues, but whatever I tried, it always worked out. What we do is we're just going to take some cotton, pour some acetone or nail polish remover on it, and start rubbing it. What the nail polish remover does is basically melting the glue. Takes a little bit of scrubbing, but you can see that some of it is off already. You can see it on the cotton. I think it's all out. So this is an easy way of removing glue from a non-wanted place.